Make your conservatory warmer in winter and cooler in summer with a warm roof replacement from LEKA Systems. Traditional glass and polycarbonate conservatories offer poor insulation and become unusable a lot of the year. What's worse is that most traditional solutions suffer from condensation, moisture absorption, and rot. This can lead to expensive maintenance in the future and time-consuming rebuilds. The LEKA system is a structurally tested, patented GRP roof system. Lightweight and completely water-resistant, our composite engineered warm roof provides the most energy-efficient product in the marketplace. A LEKA Systems warm roof can be installed on your existing conservatory and rapidly constructed within days, rather than weeks, and with less mess. A building control compliant LEKA warm roof will allow you to use your conservatory as an extension to your home, with great comfort year-round and no risk of damp or decay. Every LEKA system product is designed to exacting standards and comes with a 40-year product warranty. From the cutting to the packaging, delivery and installation, everything is refined to fractions of a millimeter. The installation of your warm roof conservatory can be handled by one of the many regional network LEKA installers in the UK.
When I seen the LEKA roof, I didn't want to look any further, only because I was so impressed when I seen the spec. Installation was absolutely superb, but now the temperature is really balanced, but it's money well spent.
With the conservatory on the front, in the winter it was cool, as you can imagine, with a glass roof. In the summer it tended to get hot if the sun shone. I decided that I wanted a solid roof on the conservatory. I think I'm very happy with it because it's made the room more useful. It's somehow kind of extended the use of the room, spatially, but also in terms of the temperature.
LEKA Systems have been building a reputation for being a premium offering in the marketplace, which solves many of the existing problems with competitor products. With tens of thousands of installations already completed across the UK, LEKA will help you to make your first choice the right choice. Contact LEKA today for your next home improvement. lekasystems.co.uk 0800 773 4040